Welcome to our channel, where today we're unlocking the vault to Kansas City's real estate secrets, brought to you by Alpine Property Management. If you're looking to invest in real estate here in the heart of America, you're in the right place. We're going to share insider tips that can help turn a standard investment into a profitable venture. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of what makes Kansas City a goldmine for real estate investors. First off, understanding the local market is crucial. Kansas City is not just a single real estate market. It's a patchwork of multiple micro-markets, each with its own characteristics and opportunities. For example, the tech boom has turned certain neighborhoods into hotspots for young professionals, while other areas are more family-oriented with great schools and parks. Knowing which area suits your investment strategy is key. Alpine Property Management has deep local expertise that can help guide you to the right locations based on your goals, whether it's high rental yield or capital appreciation. Next, let's talk about the importance of timing. In real estate, timing can make or break your investment. Kansas City, with its growing economy and expanding infrastructure, often presents unique timing opportunities. The secret is to monitor the development plans and economic indicators closely. When a new major employer moves to town or when the city announces new infrastructure projects, it's usually a good sign that property values in nearby areas are set to rise. Alpine Property Management keeps a close ear to the ground on such developments, ensuring our clients can make moves ahead of the curve. Now, onto the critical part of any real estate investment: property management. A property that's well managed not only retains but can also increase in value over time. This is where Alpine steps in. From handling day-to-day operations to executing strategic renovations that boost property appeal and value, Alpine ensures that your investment is hassle-free and profitable. Good management makes a difference, keeping tenants happy and ensuring that they stay longer, which reduces vacancy rates and increases your stable income. Speaking of making profitable moves, if you're looking to sell your property in Kansas City, Alpine also offers a straightforward and efficient "We Buy Houses" service. Whether you're upgrading your investment or need to liquidate quickly, we provide a hassle-free experience. We buy houses in any condition, handle all the necessary paperwork, and can close deals fast. This service is designed to meet the needs of sellers who value speed and convenience over everything else. Investing in real estate also means being savvy about your financing options. In Kansas City, various financing tools are available, from traditional mortgages to more creative methods like lease options and owner financing. Understanding these options and using them to your advantage can significantly enhance the profitability of your investments. Alpine Property Management can advise on the best financing strategies, tailored to meet the specifics of your investment and personal financial goals. One often overlooked aspect of real estate investment is the importance of property upgrades and maintenance. Enhancing your property isn't just about aesthetics. It's about adding tangible value that attracts and retains high-quality tenants. Consider upgrades like modernizing kitchens and bathrooms, improving energy efficiency, or adding smart home technologies. These improvements can justify higher rents and increase your property's overall market value. Alpine Property Management specializes in identifying the most impactful upgrades, ensuring that every dollar you invest contributes to increasing your ROI. Risk management is another critical element in your investment strategy. This involves having a keen understanding of potential challenges and preparing for them. For instance, changes in zoning laws, fluctuations in the housing market, or shifts in the local economy can all impact your investment. Alpine Property Management helps mitigate these risks through rigorous market analysis and proactive management practices, ensuring that your investment remains secure regardless of market conditions. Additionally, the role of technology in real estate management cannot be overstated. In today's digital age, leveraging technology can provide a significant competitive edge. From property management software that streamlines operations to platforms that enhance tenant communication, technology can increase efficiency and reduce overhead costs. Alpine Property Management incorporates the latest technological tools to provide seamless management services, making it easier for you to keep track of your investment's performance and make data-driven decisions. Furthermore, understanding the legal landscape of real estate investment is crucial. This includes knowing landlord-tenant laws, property rights, and the specifics of lease agreements. Missteps in legal matters can lead to costly disputes or losses. Alpine Property Management ensures compliance with all local and state regulations, providing peace of mind and protecting your investment from potential legal issues. Lastly, the end goal of any investment is to achieve a profitable exit. Planning your exit strategy from the beginning can influence many decisions you make about property management and upgrades. Whether you aim to sell at a peak market value or hold your properties to generate passive income, having a clear exit strategy is essential. We work with you to outline and execute this strategy, considering market trends and your personal financial goals to ensure a successful and profitable conclusion to your investment journey. Successful real estate investment in Kansas City requires a comprehensive approach that covers market understanding, effective property management, strategic upgrades, risk management, technological integration, legal compliance, and a clear exit strategy. Alpine Property Management is dedicated to providing expert guidance and management services at every stage of your real estate investment lifecycle. Thank you for joining us for this insightful exploration into Kansas City's real estate investment opportunities. If you're ready to take your real estate investments to the next level, consider partnering with Alpine Property Management. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of the market and maximize your investment potential. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and expert advice on real estate investment. Your success is our priority, and we look forward to assisting you in achieving your investment goals. Here's to your future success in Kansas City's thriving real estate market.